guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some egg ball. There I have cassava here, 1 pack of cassava, 2 potato already boiled with salt. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of green seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I already put salt to boiling, so I don't need salt. I put 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sazan powder. This tastes really good in egg ball. That's the powder here. And I'll start mix it up, mash everything together. Anyways guys, this is the cassava I bought. We call it yuca here. This one is very tasty, frozen, fresh cassava. It tastes good, really fresh. That's it here. So 1 pack of those cassava with 2 potatoes. Potato makes it really nice. Oh my, cassava looks really nice. I love the color. The sazan make it a good color. And it's so moist. I added some green onion too. Looks so nice. Color, look at the color. Tastes good too. I make sure I taste it. Tastes really good. 9 eggs. I have 10, but I eat 1. Look at this plantain I bought today. Really nice. And nice sugar up here too. Meanwhile, the cassava is cooling. Looks nice. Plantain up there. Do this so it doesn't stick. Surrender it and plantain. How is the plantain?
Really good.
Plantain and ketchup and hot pepper with avocado. I'm still making my egg ball here. Look at that. Looks really nice. Still making and drinking my tea at the same time. My chamomile tea. Oil here. Cassava. Some more oil on my hand. more cassava. I put lots of green onion. Dates? You like dates? No, I'm drinking chamomile. Look at that, it's so nice. So colorful. Oh, look at that now. More oil. Oh my God, look at all the green onion in here. More eggs.
Looking good.
Yeah, look all that we have. Look, it's not sticking. Look at that. Look. Look at this. This is how you get the sheep. Look at that, honey.
Looking good. Still like me, please. So real good. Your daughter and the kid of you.
Look at the egg bar, how it's going. Look. Oh my God, it's like professional, honey. Look. You see how to make egg bar, babe? Look. This is the last one. You had to try one, but this is the last one. So nice. Egg bar looking so nice. And I got one cassava bar. Extra cassava. In the bowl, I add half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon yellow coloring, 1 teaspoon salt powder. Mix everything.
Story. Dallas Chuck.
Roll in the egg ball now. check this out. Looking so nice. Color look amazing. I love this color. And it's crunchy. When it's done cooked, it's so crunchy. So crunchy. That looks so nice. I have a couple more here. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. Some more fry in there. And that's it. It's late now. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Hope you like how it turns out. Share with your friends. Bye for now.